Welcome to the next new class and the next new session on the topic complex numbers. This video is the continuation of part 2 of complex numbers. For getting continuity, watch my previous videos part 1 and part 2. The link is mentioned in the description box. Okay? Now we are solving another set of problems in complex numbers. Okay? Let us start with our problem. Problem is 4 plus 5i plus 2i cube whole divided by 2 plus I whole square. Okay. The question equal to, we can write 4 plus 5i plus 2 into, here I cube can be written as I square into I. Okay. I square into I. Whole divided by, this is 2 plus I whole square. We can write it as a plus b whole square form. Here 2 plus I whole square is equal to 2 square, that is 4, plus 2ab, that is 2 into I, plus here b is I, then I square. Here 4 plus 5i, here I square is minus 1, then minus 1 into 2i is minus 2i, okay, divided by, here 4 plus 4i, I square is minus 1. Then we can write here minus 1. Okay. Then that is equal to, we can write 4 plus, here 5i minus 2i is 3i divided by, here 4 minus 1, 3 plus 4i. Okay. Here the denominator is 3 plus 4i. Its conjugate is 3 minus 4i. Multiply numerator and denominator with its conjugate. That is into 3 minus 4i divided by 3 minus 4i. That is equal to, we can multiply 4 into 3, that is 12. Next 4 into negative 4i, that is negative 16i. Then 3i into 3, that is plus 9i. Next 3i into 4i, that is negative 12i square divided by, here 3 into 3, that is 9. 3 into negative 4i, that is minus 12i. 4i into 3, that is plus 12i. 4i into negative 4i, that is negative 16i square. Clear? Now this is equal to, here 12, here minus 16i plus 9i, that is minus 7i, minus 12 into I square is negative 1 divided by 9, here minus 12i plus 12i get cancelled. We get negative 16i square is minus 1. Now we get 12, negative 12 into negative 1, that is plus 12 minus 7i divided by, here 9 plus 16. Okay, that is equal to, here 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 minus 7i divided by 25. Okay, now we get, here 24 divided by 25 is 24 by 25 minus 7i divided by 25. 7i divided by 25. Okay. Problem is 1 divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus 2i into 1 plus 3i. Okay. Here first we take the denominator. Here the denominator is 1 plus I into 1 minus 2i into 1 plus 3i. First we take the denominator. Multiply first two term. We get equal to, here 1 plus I into 1 minus 2i. First we multiply 1 into 1. We get 1. Okay. Then we multiply 1 into negative 2i. We get negative 2i. Then multiply I into 1. We get plus I. Then multiply I into negative 2i. We get negative 2i square. Okay. Using bracket. Then write 1 plus 3i. Okay. that is equal to, we can write it as, here minus 2i plus I, we get minus I, that is 1 minus I minus 2 into, here I square is negative 1. 1 plus 3i. Okay, that is equal to, we can write here 1 minus I, negative into negative is positive, plus 2 into 1 plus 3i. Okay, that is equal to, we can write here 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus I into 1 plus 3i. Again multiply 3 minus I into 1 plus 3i. Here we can multiply 3 into 1. We get 3. Okay. 3 into 3i. We get plus 9i. Next we multiply negative I into 1. We get negative I. Then multiply negative I into 3i. We get negative 3i square. That is equal to, here 3 plus 9i minus I is 8i minus 3 into I square is negative 1. We get 3 plus 8i plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8i. Okay. Now the question becomes 1 divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus 2i, 1 plus 3i is equal to 1 divided by, the denominator is 6 plus 8i. Okay. Next we multiply the conjugate of 6 plus 8i, numerator and denominator, that is into 6 minus 8i. The conjugate of 6 plus 8i is 6 minus 8i divided by 6 minus 8i. Okay. Now we get 1 into 6 minus 8i is 6 minus 8i divided by 6 plus 8i into 6 minus 8i. Clear? Now using this result, z into z conjugate is equal to mod z square. Here, this is 6 plus 8i. Its conjugate is 6 minus 8i. That means it is of the form z into z conjugate. Now this is equal to 6 minus 8i divided by, here it is of the form z into z conjugate. We can write it as mod z square. Here z is 6 plus 8i square. Okay. 6 minus 8i divided by root of, here mod 6 plus 8i is root of 6 square plus 8 square. That is 6 square plus 8 square whole square. Okay. Now we get 6 minus 8i divided by, here root 6 square plus 8 square is 100. We can write it as root 100 whole square. That is equal to, we can write 6 minus 8i divided by 100. That is equal to 6 by 100 minus 8i by 100. Okay. In 6 by 100, we can cancel with 2, we get 3 by 50 minus, here cancel with 4, we get 2 by 25i. This is the required answer. Okay. 3 by 50 minus 2 by 25i. Here the real part is 3 by 50 and the imaginary part is negative 2 by 25. Clear?